Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will share with you the recipe for egg roll filling pork and cabbage. First, heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil in the pan. Sauté 8 cloves of diced garlic. Cook 1 diced onion until translucent. Add 2 pounds of ground pork or ground beef and cook thoroughly. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Stir in 1 cup of diced potato. Cook for 3 minutes. Mix in 3 cups of shredded cabbage and 1 sliced carrot. Add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire Sauce. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover for a minute. The next step is to wrap your pork and cabbage like a perfect lumpia. Click on this link to learn how to wrap it perfectly. After wrapping, fry them. You can prepare a fried egg with the pork, cabbage, and carrots in the filling. You can now enjoy your egg roll filling pork and cabbage. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.